I'm here with Mary, and we got to meet Mary a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to let her tell the story of how that happened. Go ahead, Mary. How did you hear about Brawler?
This year, something very special happened. I was in my seat, and then somebody got on with that big loudspeaker and mentioned Brower Company was going to be raffling off and having a donation for a air conditioner. So I was so glad when they came to my house one day and announced to me that I won this air conditioner, and it's just changed my life. And I'll be able to stay in my home and live independently and have air. And my helpers that come to help me every day, they'll be so grateful.
I know when we stopped by the first time, walked in, it was probably 90 degrees in your house. And so it was such a privilege to be able to let you know that you won this air conditioning system and that we were going to be able to come the following week, which is today, and install it for you. As I told you, it's not so much about making the dollar. It's more about building relationships in our community and helping some people, because our key word at Brower is caring. And that's what we want to be known for, as a company that cares about people. And we get to live that out doing this for you today. So we're going to see some of the install that's going on and walk around. So thank you so much for allowing us to do this and bless you with this. Well, absolutely. Oh, you bet.